everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today I'm doing another piece for my upcoming show at the Broadway Market in Baltimore, Maryland. That'll be down in Fells Point. Today's colors are going to be the DIoxazine Purple in Liquitex Basics, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, and Bright Aqua Green. I know for sure that that yellow and that purple are fantastic together. They make great cells in a straight pour. And that's what we're doing today. These paints are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts floetrol, and then thinned with my mixture of 90% water and 10% floetrol. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a straight pour. And the purple will be my background. Just double checking my consistencies. Always double check your consistency. I think you'll be able to see better if I use one of these colors. When you drizzle your paint off of the stick and it lands in the cup, it should not form a mound, it should not sink, it should just disappear immediately. That is the consistency that you want if you want to do a straight pour. I'm actually going to put my paint in the cup first this time because I know that this yellow will sink if I give it some time, and that's what we want. That is how you know your straight pour is probably going to work, when you see it a paint sinking. It is more likely to sell. Sounds counterintuitive, but it works out that way. I'm gonna do about 3 ounces of purple. Actually, I'm gonna do 4. I don't mind some negative space. And then I will do my green. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is sinking, which is what we want. This green and this purple together is so pretty. Definitely gonna have to do this combo some more. And then the yellow. All right, the yellow has not quite made its way down yet. I will set this to the side. Okay, let's put down this base coat. I did cover the sides already. I do like to do that on straight pours. In particular, on these deep edge canvases, I want to make sure that my sides are covered. Okay. This has been sitting. It has not sunken any more than it had. Perhaps it was not thin enough. I don't know. Actually, I see some bubbles. Let me pop these real quick. But we'll see what happens. So let's do this. All right, well, I'm not seeing any of that green, so I'm hoping that when I start tilting, that'll start popping up. I think, which direction to go first? Very slowly, very, very slowly. Bringing the weight back to center before I change directions. there are going to be more cells popping up, so I'm just going to let this sit, but I don't like this right here. So I'm going to try to smooth that out. Just trying to get this composition to a place where I am happy with it. It feels a little unbalanced to me at the moment. I think some of this needs to come off this edge. I think that's better. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone. And hopefully more cells will be popping up, because that's kind of what happens on these. I'd love for some more of that green to come through. All right, I'll let it sit and I will bring you in for a close-up in a bit. Back in a few. Okay, here is the dried piece. As you can see, good color separation. I'm happy with this one. I'm not sure which direction I'll be hanging it. Probably like that, maybe. I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, so I'm happy with this one. And I hope you learned something. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. If you find these tutorials helpful or at least entertaining and would like to help me stay stocked up in supplies to keep bringing you the fresh content and groovy experiments from my kitchen, that's a great way to do it. Also, through the Amazon link. Amazon Prime Day is July 15th. Don't know if this video will be up by then, but if it is, do pop in through the link in the description box, and anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, GinaDeLuca.net. I like this here. I like this composition. That'll be good for a print. GinaDeLuca.net. That is where you can purchase my artwork and my music. My new CD is out right now and available at my website for physical purchase or download. It's called Better Than Chocolate. Do check that out. And our group on Facebook, Go Make Some Art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Just come get some inspiration. I think that's everything. There we go. I may be on vacation when this video goes up, so if I take a bit to get back to y'all, I apologize. But girl needs vacation every once in a while, even though it's a working vacation. I'll be playing lots of music. I'll have a gig. It's still the vacation because I'm not sleeping in my own bed. So, all right. There we go. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.